हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल लर्न विद मंगलम। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं एलटीआई माइंड्री के हायरिंग प्रोसेस के बारे में। सो इफ यू नो दैट एलटीआई माइंड्री हायरिंग हैज बीन स्टार्टेड फॉर 2025 बैच 2024 बैच। इट इज ऑन कैंपस मोस्टली। ओके, सो एलटीआई माइंड्री की जो हायरिंग है अभी ऑन कैंपस यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। तो जो आपका पैटर्न होने वाला है उसके बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं, लाइक व्हाट एग्जैक्टली सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस यू कैन फेस। ओके, so this is the exact selection process that you can see. There will be three different round. First round would be online assessment. Okay, that is elimination round. If you are not able to clear this round, then you will not be eligible to second round, that is technical interview. After a technical interview, that would be HR interview. Okay, so total three rounds would be there, that online assessment, that technical interview, then HR interview. Okay, so basically you have to clear all three rounds, then finally you will get the offer letter. Okay, so guys, a basically आपका selection process है ना. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the online assessment. कि online assessment का जो आपका पैटर्न होने वाला है वो एग्जैक्ट कितने नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आपको देखने को मिलेंगे and how many sections you can face there. Okay, so you can see this is the exact exam pattern of LTI Mindtree. So you can see there will be different sections. First we will talk about the general aptitude section, that is English. It means verbal ability, logical reasoning, logical ability, quants, and numerical ability. You can see. Okay, so for English there will be 15 minute and 12 questions. So you have to solve 12 question in 15 minutes, and for logical reasoning 12 question 15 minutes, and for quants 12 question 15 minutes. So total 45 minutes for general aptitude. General, I am saying this is not exact time. Total time duration would be 120 minutes. Okay, and you can see this is section wise basically questions. You can see 12 for general aptitude like English, logical reasoning, and quants. Now you can see programming. So in programming, how like which type of questions you can face. You can face like some programming questions like programming language from DSA theoretical questions you can face, and programming like C++, Java. You can see some questions. So total 35 minute and 25 questions would be there. You have to solve 25 question in 30 minutes. Okay, so there will be programming questions. And now CS fundamentals. Under CS fundamentals, what topics they can cover, like basically topics would be like computer network, C, and operating system, DSA, any programming language, and SQL, DBMS. So multiple topics, that is computer science fundamentals. And so mix up of the topics, like mix up of the concept will be there, and questions will be there. So total 20 question and 20 minutes you have to solve. Now next section would be voice assessment, that is English. So it is like voice assessment, like basically there will be passage type. Okay, so there will be passage type, and you have to answer like you have to read the questions, so you have to answer according to the passage. Okay, basically unseen passage type. So there will be paragraphs or passage type, so you have to solve the question according to the paragraphs or passages. Okay, this is voice assessment based on reading and like speaking skills. Okay, so this is the exact pattern you can see. And for interview, like which type of questions they can ask, or how to prepare for LTI Mindtree interview. So I will create a separate video for LTI Mindtree interview, then you can watch that video. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.